Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the basics quickly so you don't chase ghosts. Plug the headset into another device and test. Once done, return to your PC and open sound settings to verify the default playback device, master volume, and mute. Make sure physical jacks or USB connections are seated and that any headset has an inline mute or volume wheel set correctly. If you use an external DAC or mixer, ensure it's powered and selected in Windows, so the OS actually routes audio to the right output. Next, address drivers and services because software conflicts commonly cut audio. You should open Device Manager, update the audio driver, or roll back if the problem started after an update. Then press Win+R, Run Services, MSC, and restart Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Once done, return to Sound Control Panel, open Advanced Device Properties, and disable Enhancements and Exclusive Mode. This prevents apps from taking sole control and dropping audio. These steps clear driver stalls. To finish, reinstall the manufacturer's audio drivers from the PC or motherboard maker if generic drivers don't help, and reboot. If audio still cuts out, perform a clean boot or test in a new user account to isolate third-party software interference. Run the built-in audio troubleshooter and review Event Viewer under System/Application for repeated audio errors. If problems persist, one key tip: try a powered USB hub or different port for USB audio devices. Power or port issues often masquerade as driver faults and cause dropout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.